How to download TradingView on Windows PC or laptop. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can download TradingView on Windows PC or laptop. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. To download the TradingView application on your Windows PC or laptop, it's fairly simple for us to do so. What we have to do is we just have to launch the TradingView download application. So go to your browser and type in TradingView download, and you'll find the first link that says TradingView desktop application for download. When you've done that, depending upon whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or for Linux operating systems, you can choose your respective download files. In my case, I'm using a Mac OS, so I'll select download for macOS. If you're using Windows, select download for Windows. For Windows, it will be an exe file. For macOS, it will be a .dmg file or other options. For Linux, I'm not really sure because I've never really used Linux, but depending upon whatever it is, you can just go to the download for your respective ones. The downloading will begin and download the unverified file if your browser pops it up, and then you can double click to install it. But to give you an idea, this is simply how you can download the TradingView desktop application for Windows or Mac or Linux. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.